Welcome to a new lecture, and today we will be solving a linear equation which is in the form of px divided by n minus a equal to b. Here p is the coefficient, x is the variable, n is a constant, a is a constant and b is a constant. So let us take an example. 4x divided by 7 minus 2 is equal to 6. So the first thing we are going to do is we are going to use the rule side change, sign change. Negative 2 will go on the other side. From left hand side it's going to right hand side. So this sign negative on the other side will become positive. 4x over 7 will stay on the left hand side. Negative 2 goes on the other side. So 6 plus 2 will be equal to 8. So 4x over 7 is equal to 8, and now we are going to do cross multiplication. We can do a cross multiplication if there is no plus minus term on either side. So 7 will go from denominator on one side to the numerator on the other side and will get multiplied by 8. So 4x is equal to 8 times 7, so that is equal to 56. Now the last step is very important. We always divide by the coefficient of the variable, because we need to get the value of the variable. If it's a negative number, divide both sides by negative. If it's a positive number, divide both sides by the positive number. So 4x is equal to 56. So divide both sides by 4. So on dividing 4x by 4, we get x, and 56 divided by 4 is 14. So x is equal to 14. Let us take another example where we have a negative coefficient. So negative 6x over 7 plus 4 is equal to 16. So negative 6x over 7 is equal to 16 minus 4. Plus 4 goes on the other side, from left hand side to right hand side will become negative. Again, negative 6x over 7 is equal to 16 minus 4. So negative 6x over 7 is equal to 12. Again we are doing a cross multiplication, no plus minus term. So negative 6x is equal to 7 times 12. Negative 6x is equal to 84. Be very careful when you're dividing. Divide both sides by the negative 6, because the coefficient here is negative 6. So negative 6x divided by negative 6 will become a positive 1, or x. 84 divided by negative 6 will be negative 14. Negative divided by negative is a positive number. Positive divided by a negative will be a negative number. So we get here x equal to negative 14. Thanks for watching.